Hello, in this video I want to show you how to charge your Sony Action camera. And to do this, make sure that your battery is placed in. You can see the battery slot right here. Pull it open, just like that. And for my camera, battery is inserted. So that means we can close the hatch now. Then lock it. Now open a slot with multi right here. You can see the gap right here. Use something thin to open it. And now simply connect the charger to the power source. It's micro USB and connect it like that. And it should start charging. You can also see that the LED lamp with power charging is flashing. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.